Tolsen drywall sander is a well-known brand for providing quality power tools, and their drywall sander is no exception. Designed to make sanding drywall surfaces efficient and effortless, this tool offers a range of features to cater to both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Powerful motor. The Tolsen drywall sander is equipped with a robust motor that delivers ample power for smooth sanding performance. Variable speed control. This feature allows you to adjust the sanding speed according to the task at hand, ensuring optimal results for different materials and finishes. Dust collection. The sander often includes a dust collection system to minimize mess and keep your workspace clean. Ergonomic design. With a comfortable grip and well-balanced design, the Tolsen drywall sander is designed to reduce fatigue during extended use. TWINTIER is a cutting-edge rebar tying tool designed to significantly enhance productivity and efficiency in construction projects. Developed by Max Corporation, TWINTIER offers a range of innovative features that set it apart from traditional tying methods. Double the speed. The TWINTIER's dual wire feeding mechanism allows for faster tying, completing a tie in approximately half a second. Enhanced tying strength. The wire pullback mechanism ensures strong and secure ties, reducing the risk of failure. Cost savings. By dispensing the precise amount of wire needed, TWINTIER minimizes wire usage and reduces production costs. Reduce tie height. The wire bending mechanism produces shorter tie heights, requiring less concrete to cover the wire tie. Ergonomic design. TWINTIER is designed to be comfortable and easy to use, reducing the risk of musculoskeletal injuries. Powered models provides flexibility. Klauke ES20 RMC remote cutter is a versatile and powerful tool designed for efficient and safe cutting of various conductors, including aluminum, copper, and ACSR cables. Its remote control functionality makes it ideal for working in hazardous or difficult-to-reach areas. Remote control. The ES20 RMC allows for safe and convenient operation from a distance, reducing the risk of electrical shock or other hazards. Powerful cutting capacity. The tool can cut conductors with a diameter of up to 20 mm, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. Lightweight and portable. Its compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and maneuver, even in tight spaces. Battery powered. The ES20 RMC is powered by a rechargeable battery, providing flexibility and eliminating the need for a power source. Ergonomic design. The tool is designed for comfort and ease of use. RUNPOTEC Cable Guide Roller is a specialized tool designed to simplify and improve the routing and management of cables in various industrial applications. Its unique design and features make it an essential component for ensuring efficient and safe cable handling. Adjustable cable routing. The cable guide roller can be easily adjusted to accommodate different cable diameters and routing paths, providing flexibility and versatility. Smooth cable movement. The roller's smooth surface ensures minimal friction, allowing for easy and efficient cable movement. Durable construction. The cable guide roller is typically made from high-quality materials, such as steel or aluminum, ensuring long-lasting durability and resistance to wear and tear. Modular design. Many cable guide rollers are designed with a modular approach, allowing for easy installation and customization to suit specific requirements. Milwaukee M18 Rocket Dual Power Tower Light is a powerful and versatile lighting solution designed for professional use. It offers exceptional brightness and flexibility, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, including construction sites, outdoor events, and emergency situations. Dual power technology. The M18 Rocket can be powered by either two M18 red lithium batteries or AC power, providing maximum flexibility and convenience. High-intensity LED lighting. The tower light features 4 high-intensity LED modules that deliver an impressive 4,000 lumens of brightness, ensuring optimal illumination in any environment. Adjustable lighting modes. The M18 Rocket offers 3 lighting modes: high, medium, and low, allowing you to adjust the brightness to suit your specific needs. Bosch PFS 7000 is a powerful and versatile cordless stapler designed for professional use. Brushless motor. The PFS 7000 is equipped with a brushless motor, providing longer runtime, increased power, and reduced maintenance. Quick load magazine. The stapler features a quick load magazine that allows for easy and efficient loading of staples. Adjustable depth control. The depth control allows you to precisely adjust the depth of the staples, ensuring optimal performance and preventing damage to materials. Ergonomic design. The PFS 7000 is designed for comfort and ease of use, reducing fatigue during extended periods of operation. Dust protection. The stapler features dust protection to help prevent internal damage and ensure long-lasting performance. Compatible with Bosch batteries, the PFS 7000 is ERKO Nozyce RC 54 is a high-quality hydraulic shear designed for efficient and powerful cutting of various materials. It is a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications in industries such as construction, metalworking, and recycling. Hydraulic power. The Nozyce RC 54 is powered by a hydraulic system, providing ample force for cutting through tough materials. Large cutting capacity. It can handle materials with a maximum thickness of 54 mm, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. Adjustable blade angle. The blade angle can be adjusted to optimize cutting performance for different materials and applications. Portable design. The Nozyce RC 54 is designed to be portable, making it easy to transport and use in various locations. Durable construction. The shear is built with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Geismar Narval is a high-performance hydraulic shear designed for efficient and powerful cutting of various materials. It is a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications in industries such as construction, metalworking, and recycling. Hydraulic power. The Narval is powered by a hydraulic system, providing ample force for cutting through tough materials. Large cutting capacity. It can handle materials with a maximum thickness of 54 mm, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. Adjustable blade angle. The blade angle can be adjusted to optimize cutting performance for different materials and applications. Portable design. The Narval is designed to be portable, making it easy to transport and use in various locations. Durable construction. The shear is built with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. VAUGHAN Rage is a high-performance hydraulic shear designed for efficient and powerful cutting of various materials. It is a versatile tool suitable for a wide range of applications in industries such as construction, metalworking, and recycling. Hydraulic power. The Rage is powered by a hydraulic system, providing ample force for cutting through tough materials. Large cutting capacity. It can handle materials with a maximum thickness of 54 mm, making it suitable for heavy-duty applications. Adjustable blade angle. The blade angle can be adjusted to optimize cutting performance for different materials and applications. Portable design. The Rage is designed to be portable, making it easy to transport and use in various locations. Durable construction. The shear is built with high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. CLIPFIX is a brand name associated with a range of products designed to provide efficient and secure solutions for various applications. While there are different CLIPFIX products available, they generally share a common theme of providing quick, easy. Fisher CLIPFIX, a popular brand of electrical fixings used for mounting cables, ducts, and other electrical components. These fixings often feature a plug-and-screw design for easy installation. CLIPFIX cable clips. These clips are used to secure and organize cables, preventing them from tangling or interfering with other components. CLIPFIX end brackets. These brackets are used to secure DIN rails and other components in electrical enclosures. CLIPFIX mounting systems. Depending on the specific context, CLIPFIX might refer to various mounting systems or brackets used in different industries. WAL-BOARD Tools Drywall Taper is a specialized tool designed to finish the edges of drywall sheets, creating a smooth and even surface. It is an essential tool for achieving a professional-looking finish in drywall construction. Adjustable blade. The taper blade can be adjusted to create different bevel angles, allowing for customization to suit various drywall thicknesses and finishing requirements. Ergonomic design. The taper is designed for comfortable use, reducing fatigue and improving efficiency. Durable construction. The taper is typically made from high-quality materials, ensuring long-lasting durability and reliability. Easy to use. The tool is straightforward to operate, making it suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Drywall finishing. The primary application of the drywall taper is to finish the edges of drywall sheets, creating a smooth and even transition between panels.